Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a small claims case with LegalMatch easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a small claims case with LegalMatch, start by gathering all necessary documents. These documents include any contracts, receipts, or communications related to your claim. Next, visit the LegalMatch website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the small claims section. Begin by filling out the case submission form. Provide detailed information about your claim, including the amount you are seeking. Be clear and concise in your explanation of the situation. Attach any relevant documents that support your case. After submitting your case, wait for potential attorneys to respond. Review the profiles of attorneys who express interest in your case. Look for qualifications, experience in small claims, and client reviews. Select an attorney that you feel comfortable working with. Schedule a consultation to discuss your case further. During the consultation, ask questions about the attorney's approach and fees. Once you have chosen an attorney, develop a strategy for your case together. Prepare for any required court appearances by reviewing relevant laws and procedures. Make sure you understand the evidence you need to present in court. On the day of your court hearing, arrive early and bring all necessary documents. Dress professionally and maintain a respectful demeanor in court. Present your case clearly and confidently, sticking to the facts. Listen carefully to any questions from the judge or opposing party. After the hearing, await the judge's decision regarding your claim. If the ruling is in your favor, follow the steps to collect your awarded amount. If not, discuss with your attorney the possibility of appealing the decision. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.